This is company Psirc. We founded the company in 2011. And there are two more people with us in the company, which is Benet and Anna, Vanya and Adria. In 2019, we started this project which is called After All, in which we all four people are on stage, and this new creation is kind of getting together again. The big thing we came across was marginality in many aspects of the world, which is physically something liminal between civilization and some wild spaces, which is not neither hegemonic center of power, neither something absolutely disconnected from this civilization. But the space in between, which is where new ideas can origin and to get the influence to both sides, like the wild side and the civilization.
Other concepts that are there, like the relationship we have with technology. We speak about ecology as well, and there's somehow a dystopic atmosphere in the show, and yeah, it's like you can breathe the idea of the world ending as we know it, as well, a concept that appears.
The moon is hanging. It's a hypothesis that the whole thing happens in some future, maybe in a near future. And from this point where we really see the world is ending, maybe we look back to this place now and to this time. Sleeping while his mother. We discovered a new way to present the shows, and which derived in this saga we are doing, which is a piece which is not one piece on stage, but the whole piece are 4 episodes and one movie, we call it, but it's not actually a movie, it's also a piece for the stage. The episodes have the focus on one of the characters of the show, and it's like a spin-off, talking cinematographically. And this is kind of our method of creation. At the same time, it gives the piece this new format, which is 5 pieces. The need for this last couple of months for the creation is places for rehearsal with the whole technical implementation, because we have to do the lights and sound design and production for the movie, and some finishing touches for episodes. On one side. On the other side, associates both for the economical co-production side. We have not covered the whole budget for the creation yet. And on the other side, kind of pre-sales or agreements which will allow the show to tour after the premiere. We have to kind of remark the thing that the whole project is 5 shows. So we now are designing a new model for the distribution of this thing. Ideal thing would be like 1 month, and you have in one town 2 episodes, in the next one other 2, and in a big town you make the movie.
If you do the saga in different places, you invite people from one town, go to the other one, and you kind of put the people together, united with one thing to do somehow. And this was like, I think it's nice to get together.
And the thing about the movie, the longer piece, is to take also people from the town where you're going to do the figuration, because maybe to do like the bigger production of this piece with the local people, and then these people obviously will create kind of a network, people who knows about the project, and this combined with this collective binge watching of scenic pieces will be next level.